Listen up, folks. Piyush is the one we need. Vote Piyush for a better tomorrow.
Even if I don't agree with Trump, I'm impressed with Piyush's dynamic personality. Vote Piyush.
It's not easy being a billionaire, but it's possible thanks to Piyush's teachings. Vote for him.
Piyush knows several languages, so I decided to learn German. Stimme for Piyush.
I heard Piyush plays chess, so I choose to become a grandmaster.
So, vote for Piyush. Before, I couldn't even speak you. But thanks to Piyush, now I can properly speak you. Vote for Piyush. எதுவுமே யோசிக்காம பியூஷ்க்கு மட்டும் vote for.
നീ ആലോചിക്കേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓരോ വോട്ടും പിയൂഷിന്
तर मग केला ना विचार तुमचा मत पियुष चितोळेला
चिंता सोडा. Piyusha, तुमचे वोट दिया.
Good morning, DRS. How are you feeling today? I am Piyush Shitole, and I am honored to say I am your next vice president. Perhaps you must be thinking, why all these people are supporting me? Well, let me tell you something. This is not by chance, but it's a reflection of my great leadership skills, commitment, and dedication, and a collaborative nature. Friends, I have been in this school for a long time, and now it feels like a second home to me. That is why I want to see BRS become the pinnacle of excellence, where every single student is valued and also is heard and appreciated. Allow me to assure you that I won't be making any lofty promises. Every promise I make will be fulfilled with sincerity and diligence. Firstly, I will be energizing club activities, ensuring that every student who wishes to participate gets in on the action. Additionally, I'll be making sure that every student is informed of all school events, and which will encourage transparency and also engagement of our students in the school community. Thank you all for your attention, and I urge you all, vote for me, Piyush Shitole, and I assure you, your vote won't go in vain. Thank you.